Do you know these Microsoft keyboard features that can speed up your work, especially if you do a lot of emailing, messaging in both your mobile phone and your PC? Let me go to my mobile and show you how it works. Okay, right now I'm in my phone, so let's go to the phone, right? Now this works on the Android phone. I'm not too sure. Do you have Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard in Apple? If you can't install outside or third-party keyboard in iPhone, then I'm sorry, right? So this is using Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard. So just go to the settings, okay, and search for keyboard, right? So let me find it over here. Okay, it's right over here. Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard. Yeah. Now, if you don't have this, you can just go to your App Store and then install that, right? So once you install that, select this as your default keyboard. Now, what you want to do is that you want to go in here and then click on the clipboard, right? So what I want to do is that to sync this, right? I already turn it on. If you not turn it on, just turn it on. And then it asks you to log into your Microsoft account. So log in using a Microsoft account, which is the same account that you log in into your Windows PC, right? So from that, whenever you copy in your Windows PC, it will automatically sync to your mobile phone. Yeah, so that you do not need to go and retype it again, and you can paste it in anywhere in WhatsApp, whatever place on your phone. Same thing, if you have copy from your mobile, it will automatically sync it to your phone. For example, here, let me show you. This is just a notepad from my laptop, and this is my mobile, right? It just sync it over here on my laptop so that I can show you. Let's say, for example, I want to write something and I want to copy into my so-called keyboard. So let me go to my mobile and let me turn on. Let me just copy. I can type in anything right over here. Okay, key. Say I just spell it wrongly. Keyboard shortcut, something like that. So I'm going to show you using my phone. So let's highlight this whole thing. Okay, I'm using my phone right now, and then I just copied it. Okay, so if I go to my clipboard right over here, you can see this thing, keyboard shortcut, right, with the wrong spelling is in my clipboard. So right now, I just need to go to my PC over here, and then what I can do is that I can click on the shortcut for the clipboard, which is the Windows V button, and you can see right over here, keyboard shortcut. So I can just click here and then copy to my PC. I don't have to type anything at all. So this clipboard is synced between your mobile and your Windows PC. So how good is that? If you have a lot of typings, sending message, you can copy the whole paragraph, everything, and then put in your clipboard, and then go to your phone, and then immediately you can paste it to your WhatsApp or any messenger or email that you want. So let me know that this shortcut, is it great or not, in the comments below. Since I just mentioned how to open up your clipboard on your Windows PC, which is your Windows key plus V, right? So if you try to do that, let's say Windows plus V, you can see all your clipboard, right? So you can have whole list of keyboard. Let's say, for example, here, I want to Control C, yeah? Now it will turn out, you can see here, the Windows V. So I can have a lot of all this, yeah, in my clipboard, yeah? So that I can go back and see what are the text that I copy, and I can use that as well. So it's very useful using the clipboard. Now another function that I use a lot is the clipboard on my phone. Let me show you. Okay, now if you have all this in your phone, right? Okay, you can click here. This is your Microsoft keyboard or SwiftKey keyboard, click on the clipboard here over here, and then you can manage if you want. So you can manually add a new clip right over here. Let's say, for example, if you have a message that you always use. Let's say, for example, your friend texts you and then you're driving or you're doing something else. So you want to have quick reply. You can put in like on my way, okay, and save it. So once you have that on your phone, you can actually pin it. Pin it means that it will not delete it after a while, right? So it will forever in there that you can open up a clipboard and select the message that you want. So if you do a lot of like business with a lot of messaging, like when we're doing e-commerce, there's a lot of message coming in. You can use all this or save all your message in this clipboard, and then just open up a clipboard and select the message that you want, and then it will like kind of like auto reply to your message. So these are the easy tips that you can use all these clipboards inside your keyboards to speed up all your communication. So I hope these tips will help you to improve your productivity. So I hope these simple tips will help you improve on your work productivity. So go try it out and let me know whether it works for you or not. Or if you have a better idea how to speed up all this typing, do leave a comment right below so that you can share with other viewers as well. By the way, I'm Andrew, and I'm a business consultant specialized in helping clients improve on their work productivity. Now, if you're interested in improving your work productivity, do subscribe to this channel. And here are some other videos that I created just for you. I will see you real soon in my next video.